What's good, people? It's JayCactus back in the Cactus lab again for another cook-up session. And seeing as though everyone liked my last pop smoke tutorial, I'm going to be making another pop smoke type beat today. And I'm going to be using drums from a new kit which is coming out soon. And once I reach 1,000 subscribers, I'm going to be dropping a free drill melody kit. There's over 20 melodies in there, all royalty free. So if you haven't already, please like the video and subscribe to the channel, and let's jump straight into it. Alright, so similar to the last few pop smoke videos, of course I'm going to use strings, a choir, a piano in this one, and some drums as well, which are going to be in my drum pack. So if you like the sound of them, then definitely keep a lookout for that. But let's start with a string melody. So I think for this one I wanted to start on E. Yeah, something like that. Record this in. Then I'm definitely going to change a few of these notes around. I think I want the E to hit each time. Make this even shorter and then double it. So I'm going to bring this all the way, cut that one. Get rid of that. Maybe bring this here. Now I'm going to double this. Sounding kind of basic right now, but I'm definitely going to add effects. So with halftime, it's sounding a bit more pop smoke like now. And then I've also reversed it and applied a couple of effects in grow speed. So I've got this one here, and then because there were a lot of pops, I've tried to take them out with this here. Sounding nice and dark now. Alright, so all that I've done here is rendered my melody to a WAV file, and I did use some automation, but I've skipped out this process just for the video so it can be shorter. I am going to do a full video on automation because I know a lot of people have been asking, but just for this one I wanted to speed things up. So all I've done, I've got a normal melody here. I'm going to have this for the intro, and then it switches up here. So this is like the reverse gross beat effects. So now from here, I can start layering drums and other instruments on top of it. Alright, so from here I can add a choir. Yeah, just something like that. Then I've just doubled it and changed the ending. And then for the piano, something like this. Just real simple. And then I'm gonna add maybe a couple other notes. Strum that a little bit. Alright, so this is what I'll come up with. Just real simple. Alright, so now let's add some drums. I'm going to start with the snares and just make it a drill pattern. And then for the hi-hats, I think I'm going to use one from my MIDI pack. So let's see what this one's like. Perfect for this beat. Right, so for the 808, I'm gonna have it land on E just to get a bit of a groove going. So I'm hearing 4 here. So I'm going to split this and then create some slides, maybe one here. Yeah. Maybe one here. Or let's move these up a little bit, maybe here. I'm going to make this a little bit shorter. Definitely get some here. Then I think I want another one up here, and then for this one, I'm going to make it glide back down. So instead of having the slide there, I can turn this one into a slide. Let's see how this sounds. Try that again. Yeah, I kind of like that. Make this one shorter and definitely get something crazy going at the end. Alright, so this is what I've come up with. Take that, copy it on the kick. Just gonna bring all these down, get rid of them and them. Actually just took a couple more out, and now it's like this. And then just to beef up the kick a little bit more, I'm going to add an open hat. Just this, but I'm going to shift it. So I'm going to come into here, just so it don't land exactly when the kick hits, because I want room for the kick to breathe. So this open hat is just going to play straight after the kick, and it just adds a bit more impact. So like without, it sounds like this, but then if I put one here, it's more energy. So I might do another one here. And then for the open hats, I think I'm going to add one here, and then another one here. sure that it cuts out straight away. So I've got it set to cut itself. And now that's gonna just stop as soon as this one happens. Just to stop it overlapping. Alright, so for sound selection, I think I've got everything that I need right now. I've got my instruments and my drums. I didn't want to go too crazy with so many different perks, but usually when I'm mixing and arranging the beat, I'll add different things in like effects or transitions, risers. So I'll mix it, arrange it, and then let's see what I can come up with. And now that I've finished the beat, I'm just going to play it through and explain a few things. I wish I actually recorded the full thing because there are a few key parts I wanted you to see, but I'll play it and explain what I've done. So the intro, we've just got the string melody, which you can see is rendered to a WAV file, and some vocal chops.
JayCactus.
Piano's coming here with some hats. More vocal chops, which I also rendered. It drops hard. Let me just show you what I did there. So with the main melody, because I rendered it to a WAV file, it's a bit easier to manipulate and chop. So I wanted the melody to replay with the kick. So basically I've got kicks and 808s, just one note each here, right? And then with the main melody, all I did was chop it. So I just used the slice tool, just chopped the section that I wanted, and then duplicated this little section here. So now it just repeats quickly before they drop. So have a listen to this. I did the same with the vocal melody as well. So I rearranged it, chopped it up, and then I took one little part here just to repeat along with the kick and the 808. And then with the gunshot, the gunshot's actually in my kick, by the way, but the gunshot's happening along with the kick and 808, and there's also a reverse crash acting as a riser, and then a crash on the impact. So let me show you what it sounds like without any of these. So it sounds alright, but with all of these, the impact's just mad. So this is the verse, still a lot of space for rap to get on. Just more vocal chops and the choir comes in. Now the pianos are in. And I brought the choir up an octave, as you can hear. And then this is the hook, so in the hook everything drops back out for the first half.
JayCactus.
Second part of the hook. And then you can see I've got all the effects happening again, and then it repeats. So I hope you liked the beat today, and I hope you took a few gems from it. I did cut a couple things out just because I'm trying to keep the videos between 10 to 15 minutes. I don't think people really want to sit through half-hour videos. But if you do have any suggestions for me, then leave a comment and I'll definitely hook you up with that. And I'm almost at 1,000 subscribers, so I'm real close to dropping the free loop kit. And then I'm going to plan on dropping the drum kit at the same time as the loop kit. But I've just got a couple more sounds to add. But if you're liking the sounds that I used in this beat, then definitely look out for it. And I'll see you next time.